If you love delicious comfort food, then this chili recipe is absolutely for you. So watch on and make this warm, hearty dish this weekend. Here's what you need: a green and red pepper, a large carrot, 2 stalks of celery, a small zucchini, a medium-sized onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, 2 packages of diced mushrooms, a pound of ground beef, 2 cans of diced tomatoes and a can of crushed tomatoes, a can of well-rinsed kidney beans, salt and pepper, dry herb mix, cumin, and chili powder. And you can add a jalapeno pepper for increased spice if desired. Add your ground beef to a large pan set to medium heat. Put in 1/4 of the chopped onion. Add in half of the grated garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Then add your dry herb mix, your chili powder, and cumin. Give everything a good stir and cook until the meat is brown and fully cooked through. Next, add a splash of olive oil to a large pot set to a medium heat. Add the rest of the chopped onion, the chopped carrot, the chopped celery, the rest of the grated garlic. Stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now put in your mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. Add in a teaspoon of dry herb mix, a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin, and stir and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add your chopped zucchini, your chopped green and red peppers, and stir and cook until all the veggies are tender. Now, add the ground beef mixture to the big pot of veggies. Put the kidney beans in, dump in the diced tomatoes and the crushed tomatoes. Mix everything together well. Let your concoction simmer for an hour, stirring occasionally until liquid has reduced. Let cool down for a few minutes and then put it on a plate. In this case, we placed sour cream in the middle and topped it with grated Parmesan cheese and complemented the chili with some yummy garlic bread. This amazing chili dish will brilliantly satisfy any size of appetite and leave everyone happy. Enjoy!